Hi everybody, Jules from Simple Body, and I just wanted to give you an exciting update. We've made a big investment in the packaging for our mini skincare kits. And truth be told, we've been working on this packaging for a long time, and they have finally arrived just in time for the holidays, which we're thrilled about. So it's the same products that you would get in our mini skincare kit, but they're now just in recessed packaging, so they travel much better. All the products are protected in here. They come with, of course, our little card, which tells you how to do the routine day and night. In addition, these packages have all the ingredients on the back, which we didn't have with our other packaging. And again, a repeat of the instructions on how to use them. And the kits still come in the same 4 options: normal to dry, mature, oily to acne, combination skin, or sensitive skin. So I just wanted to give you an update on our packaging situation. They are available now for purchase, and I'm hoping some of our wholesalers will also carry them. So for those of you across the country, you can pick up one at your local retailer. Thanks for watching.